When it comes to enhancing the comfort of your home in Fayetteville, one of the most effective yet often overlooked solutions is window replacement. Windows are an essential component of your home, impacting not only its aesthetics but also its energy efficiency, insulation, and overall comfort. Whether your windows are outdated, damaged, or simply not performing as they should, replacing them can lead to numerous benefits that transform your living environment. In Fayetteville, where temperatures can fluctuate dramatically, window replacement plays a pivotal role in keeping your indoor space comfortable throughout the year. Let's dive into how new windows can improve indoor comfort and why it's a smart investment for your home. Better temperature control. One of the most immediate impacts of replacing old windows is improved temperature regulation. Older windows, especially single-pane ones, are notorious for poor insulation. These windows can allow heat to escape during winter, while letting in unwanted heat during the summer. This means your HVAC system has to work harder to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature, leading to higher energy bills. By installing modern, energy-efficient windows, you can significantly improve insulation. Double-pane or triple-pane windows, often filled with insulating gas such as argon, create a barrier that reduces heat transfer. This ensures that your home stays warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer, reducing the strain on your HVAC system and creating a more consistent, comfortable indoor environment. Noise reduction. And another benefit of window replacement is noise reduction. If you live in a bustling neighborhood or near busy streets in Fayetteville, you're probably familiar with the sounds that seep into your home. The road noise, barking dogs, or the general activity outside can disrupt the tranquility of your indoor space. Modern windows are designed to offer better soundproofing capabilities. Energy-efficient windows often come with thicker glass and advanced sealing technologies that minimize the amount of noise that enters your home. This can create a quieter, more peaceful atmosphere inside, allowing you to relax or work without distractions. Whether you're unwinding after a long day or enjoying time with family, quieter windows significantly enhance your overall comfort. Increased natural light and views. Windows serve more than just functional purposes, they also connect you to the outdoors. Replacing old, cloudy, or worn-out windows with clear, high-quality ones can allow more natural light into your home. Increased natural light creates a bright and inviting atmosphere that enhances your mood and mental well-being. Not only do new windows provide clearer views of the outside world, but they can also help you take advantage of Fayetteville's beautiful landscapes. Whether it's the rolling hills, lush trees, or scenic streets, a new window frame can frame those views beautifully and allow you to enjoy them to the fullest. Improved indoor air quality. Another factor that significantly contributes to indoor comfort is the air quality in your home. Old windows may have leaks or gaps that allow drafts or moisture to seep in, leading to issues like mold, mildew, or indoor allergens. This can negatively affect the air quality and your health. New windows with proper sealing and insulation prevent drafts and moisture infiltration. By replacing old windows, you help maintain better control over your home's indoor air quality. A more sealed environment means fewer opportunities for allergens, dust, and moisture to enter, creating a healthier and more comfortable living space. Enhanced aesthetic appeal. The aesthetics of your home are also an important part of its comfort. Windows are a major design feature, and replacing outdated windows with modern, stylish ones can instantly upgrade your home's appearance. Whether you're going for a sleek contemporary look or a traditional aesthetic, new windows can complement your home's overall design and improve its curb appeal. In Fayetteville, where homes often reflect a blend of Southern charm and modern design, the right windows can transform your living space both inside and out. A fresh, updated look adds to the sense of comfort and pride you feel in your home. Conclusion: window replacement is more than just an aesthetic upgrade, it's an investment in your home's overall comfort. Whether you're looking to improve energy efficiency, reduce noise, increase natural light, enhance air quality, or simply update the look of your home, new windows offer a variety of benefits that directly impact your indoor living experience. In Fayetteville, where both cold winters and hot summers can put a strain on your home's comfort, replacing your windows can provide year-round benefits. Take the step to enhance your home's comfort by considering window replacement. It's an investment that pays off in more ways than one.